Hello, my old friends. Let me show you around much more China pavilions. Now we are in B5 pavilions, and it's mainly composed of construction machinery and attachment. And it's over 30 Chinese excavators are showing here. Let's see.
Hello, hi.
Oh, hello, sir.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Guangzhou City,
Oh.
China. It's my first time come to Germany BAUMA fair. Before we come to Shanghai BAUMA. This time we come to Germany, we want to broaden our business. I want to show my brand, my own brand, DPMP, and I want to get more customer from USA, Europe, and Middle East Asia.